Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fighting alone. Begin by mastering foundational techniques. Focus on proper body mechanics for every movement, ensuring efficiency and power. Dedicate time to repetitive drills, building muscle memory and refining your form. Consistency is key to developing a strong base for self-defense skills. Remember, solo training builds discipline and precision. Once you have the basics down, elevate your training with advanced drills. Shadowboxing with intent helps visualize scenarios and improve flow. A heavy bag is excellent for developing striking power and endurance. Focus on hitting with proper technique, not just brute force. Integrate footwork patterns to enhance your ability to move effectively during a confrontation. These drills build practical skills. Physical and mental conditioning are crucial for effective self-defense. Boost your stamina with high-intensity interval training or long-distance running. Build functional strength through exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks. Mental preparation, including visualization, helps you anticipate and react quickly. A strong mind and body work together, making you more resilient and prepared for any situation. Safety is paramount in all training. Always warm up thoroughly before starting and cool down afterward to prevent injuries. Listen to your body and avoid overtraining. Gradually challenge yourself with new techniques and higher intensity as you improve. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Consistent, safe practice leads to significant self-defense skill development over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.